Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming indication and consent, then act quickly. Position the injured arm on a stable surface with the elbow at about 90 degrees, supporting wrist and fingers to maintain alignment. Once done, slip on gloves, apply a stockinette over the limb and smooth wrinkles to prevent pressure points. Next, lay even layers of soft padding over bony prominences, 1/4 to 1/2 inch thicker over the olecranon and radial styloid. So the cast will protect skin. You now activate and wrap the cast material. Dip each roll, squeeze to remove excess water, and begin wrapping distal to proximal with about 50% overlap so the layers knit together. While the material sets, mold gentle contours around the wrist and forearm, use open palms to avoid finger indentation, and create a smooth sling at the elbow crease to preserve motion. Make sure you support the arm. If alignment shifts during wrapping, pause and remold immediately to prevent malunion. You finish by smoothing and trimming the cast edges once it's firm but not fully hard. Use a cast saw only when needed and file rough spots. Next, perform neurovascular checks. Assess capillary refill, warmth, and finger movement. If you find increasing pain, numbness, or delayed refill, cut the cast or open it immediately to relieve pressure. Finally, instruct the patient to keep the limb elevated and dry, return for checks if swelling or odor develops, and explain signs that require urgent care.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.